Welcome to my Sitecore Diaries, and this is Sitecore Interview Question video series. Today's question is, what are rendering variants in SXA? What are rendering variants? A rendering variant is a mechanism in Sitecore SXA that allows user to control the presentation and display of a content within a rendering. It provides a flexibility in how content is rendered, allowing for a different style, layouts and behaviors without needing to create a separate renderings for each variation. So when you create the Sitecore page and use any out of box functionality, okay, let's take an example like is a promo. So a promo, if you see, you have an image and then you have a text and then there is a link. Okay, that kind of a structure is there. So what does rendering variant do? It allows you to display that component in a different styles. Okay, you can have a different style, you can represent that content different way, you can have additional data in that rendering. Okay, your rendering can behave differently depending on the different scenarios. Okay, so those kind of a variants of your existing website component. So basically you are using a one component only, but depending on the situation you are changing the version of that rendering. So that version contains, every version will contain the different way it is getting displayed, like it can have a different style. So somewhere you have a red button, somewhere we'll have a box of the complete component. So something that kind of things will be there. This behavior might be different also. So these are called as a rendering. You do not have to create a new component. Okay, if you are using these rendering variants, it's the same what is it, it's your content, data structure, everything is the same behind. Then you just have to make the variant of that component. There is no need to create a new component. With rendering variants, user can define a different templates for rendering content items, including how fields are rendered, the HTML structure, the CSS classes, and even a JavaScript interaction. So all those things you can change in the variant. Rendering variants are particularly useful for creating a personalized and adaptive experiences, as they enable content to be tailored based on the different criteria such as user segment, device type, or user interactions. Okay, so rendering variants are particularly useful for creating the personalized and the adaptive experience. So basically it is used more in the personalized and the adaptive experience. So it can be different way your data is getting displayed. So these rendering variants are more useful when you are doing some personalization. Okay, so it will be helpful to do those personalization. So depending on your personalization tool, you can have a different variant rendered on the page. So let's take an example. So if you create any promo component, okay, you will have this kind of a structure where you will have an image here. Okay, then you have a title and the link where you want to redirect that promo. So now if I want to do something this, where I want to reduce the size of the image, and I want to make the SXA, the title as a headline H1, and I want to add the description, and the link will remain as it is. So this is the another version or a variant of a promo component. So in maybe some situation you would like to display this kind of a rendering, and some pages you want to have the default renderings. Okay, so this is what the example of a rendering variant. If you want to know more details of this topic, then please check out video link displayed on the screen. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on notification bell for latest updates. Thank you for watching.